Hi guys, it's Aiden again, and when I went to Dharma class this morning, and my mom was at the Kajawa shop, I found this. Yes, it's a it's a comic book, as you can see here. It's a comic. You just needed to donate 5 ringgit to get this book. It's also in Chinese, it's also in English, it's also in Chinese, it's also in English, so you get the point. A lot of good stories in here. A lot. You can get this at any Kachawa Paradise or at the Kachawa House, the shop there. Hello, my name is Ryan Lim, and let's talk about Miracles of Sam Rinpoche, the comic book. Yes, well, let's talk about the one true story. Is this the woman named Joy? To keep the story short, she got into an accident, fell off a cliff, and almost died. But somehow this laptop bag saved her. Saved her. For some reason, this laptop bag was given from Rinpoche, and I'm sure it's blessed, and I'm sure it was very helpful. The laptop bag saved Joy, protected her face from being smashed for some reason. I don't understand, but she got out there with minor bruises, and in a while the emergency team came. Yeah, okay. This is one of the miracles of Sam Rinpoche. Well, if you want to learn more about miracles of Sam Rinpoche, go to the blog samtugurinpoche.com. Wow, fantastic.